Online students, could you please confirm? My voice is clear or not? Yes. Done, guys. So, uh, I have conducted for you till now with based on the MCQ test. You have taken till now the different MCQ test like Python MCQ test you have completed, statistics based MCQ test you have done, and SQL based MCQ test you have done, Power BI MCQ test you have done, and also recently Excel also you have done. So MCQ test you have done till now, right? Now you are going to take the theoretical test. As I've told you in the last class, actually it has to be conducted on the Saturday only, but I have not conducted on Saturday. So that is the reason I'm now conducting the theoretical test. Okay. So here I'm going to share you the now questions, interview questions. Okay. I'm going to share you the interview questions and I want you guys to complete all these interview questions now. Now, here the point, as one of the student has asked me the question, sir, earlier you told that Microsoft certification you are going to give to some of the students. For that, I'm going to give here the point. So today you are going to have the interview questions based the theoretical exam. Okay, today. This is today. That is on 16/06. Right? Next. Coming to the next one. After this, on 17th, that is tomorrow. Please write the schedule in the notes. We'll follow the schedule as it is. Okay? That is tomorrow we are going to have the Excel based project. Complete project on Excel. On 18th, we are going to have the Power BI project. With this, everything will be completed related to Power BI and Microsoft. Okay. So you are going to have today interview based theoretical test till whatever we have completed, all this based on all these things, we are going to have the test. Now, so here I told you three things will be tested. One is called as MCQs, which is used for certification, and followed by theoretical test. What are the theoretical tests you are going to write? That is now interview questions. What are the interview questions you are going to write? These interview questions will help you. These interview questions are going to help you for cracking real interviews. This is for real interview. And MCQs are for certifications. Now, after this, now you are going to work in the company as a projects in company. What are you going to do, miss? Projects. 3 steps will be done. So one is certification, one is real interview, one is once you join in company. Total 3 will be there. So now 3 things out of which first one was completed, that is certification MCQs are completed, but real interview how you are going to perform was not completed. So this one we are going to do. At the same time, once I'll explain the projects, now I'll give the time. Time is till Sunday. What is the Sunday date? 22. So till Sunday, I'll give the time for you. That is by 22, you have to complete your projects. After going through this in the class, your resume projects has to be completed by 22. Right? And coming to this, here we are going to start on the 19th. On 19th, we are going to start the Tableau. Now 19th and 20, we are going to continue with the Tableau. Now trust me guys, Once you have done these 2 projects and everything was clear, okay, once it is completed, okay, by 18 it will be completed. Or now once here Tableau will not take that much of time. It hardly takes maximum to maximum 6 to 6 days. That is maximum time. Okay. After having a good knowledge on Excel and Power BI functions and how to do the pivot tables and how to apply the plots, everything if you keep in the mind means Tableau dead easy. Okay, it will be replica of Power BI. One tool, same to same. I'm saying one more time. Remember this one. Once I start the Tableau, you will only say this one. So Tableau versus Power BI will be like Oppo mobile versus MI mobile. Once you know the how to use the Android mobile of one company like Samsung or something, you will automatically understand the how to use the another mobile. In such a way, it will be there. That much of easy. Same things, just minute changes will be there. Okay, almost everything will be similar. So here we are going to continue on the 19 okay, that is 19, 20 and till 26, 26, the maximum 6 or 7 days. If you take us extra also. So by 26th, we are going to complete. By 26th till 26th, we are going to work on the Tableau. Okay, by 26th, we'll complete the Tableau from 19 to 26. 19 to 26, we are going to complete the Tableau. Once Tableau was completed, here I'm going to share you the how to build the resume. Okay, try to complete your projects by 26th if possible. If you are not able to complete by 22, by 26, ready with your resume projects. So that in my class, when I'm explaining the resume building, you'll understand how to keep. Now, once the resume building was completed in the class, share me your resumes. Within 1 or 2 days, just share me in the resumes. And once you share, assume, this one we are going to do. What is the resume building session we are going to do? On which date means? Let's take on 27. On 27, we will do the resume building. Okay. Now, all the projects are ready with you and everything is ready only now. So, obviously, you will complete the resume. Maximum 1 or 2 days. 2 days means by 27 and 28. 27, 28 and 29. If you spend up to Sunday also, 30th morning, your resumes will be ready. Now on 30th, whatever we are having the class, on 30th class, we will discuss the interview questions, most commonly asked interview questions. Of course, now itself, I'm going to share you the questions and along with the answers. Okay, after the once the questions are completed, I'll share you the answers also for these questions. Right? Now on 30th, I'm going to share you once again the interview questions and I will also take the mock interview. To who has shared me the resume? Who shared the resume? Who shared resume to me? For those students, I'm going to take the mock interview. And with that mock interview and everything will be completed for your batch. That is going to be the last date. Maybe 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. That might be not a problem. If it is taking extra 1 day also, not a problem. Don't worry. If 1 day only I can't able to complete for all the students, all the mock interview also, I'll take the 2 days or 3 days also. And who has performed very well in the mock interview, for those students, I'm only going to sponsor. Now, I know because you have shared the resume now. In the resume, I'll see your projects. And automatically you'll store that projects in the GitHub. I'll tell you in the resume building class, I'll tell you where to store and how you have to share it to me. Everything I'll tell you. So you are going to share it to me and you are going to show everything. And now today you are going to take the test. At the same time, you are going to have the mock interview. So based on this resume, your resume plus mock interview plus today's test, based on these three, okay, I'm going to sponsor for the students who has done very well. I will only sponsor for you the Microsoft certification. Okay. Now 10 minutes. Okay. So I'll sponsor for you the Microsoft certification at the end for the students who has done very well. Right. Now, coming to this Power BI, what are the Microsoft certification I'm going to sponsor now? In the resume building class only, I will tell you how you have to enroll for the Microsoft certification. Questions already discussed in the class. The entire syllabus of this one was already completed. Okay. So this is certification. Whatever you are going to take is called as PL 300. This is the certificate. And for this certificate, what are the content is required? If you go through the content, see here, if you want, you can read the content. To use the as a Power BI data analyst, you work closely with the business stakeholders. Business stakeholders means who are related to that particular business. Stakeholders means related to those. And to identify the business requirement means you are going to closely work with the clients and everyone. You collaborate with the data engineers to get the data. To acquire the data, you are going to connect with the data engineers, and data engineers are going to share you the data. And once you get the data, you are going to prepare. Prepare means clean the data. And model. Model means you are going to apply the data analysis. Visualize. Visualize means plots. And finally, you are going to share what are the dashboard you have created. That one you are going to share. So cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing. Okay. So you are going to do this one. So this is the overall content. And for this entire exam, okay, yes, it is Power BI only. Only Power BI related questions will be there. Not even Excel will be there, not even Python or SQL and nothing. Only that. Okay. Now, whatever we are having here, this one, okay, entire Power BI related content is already covered. And I'm going to share you the sample questions. When I'm going to discuss this one, here itself, I will share you the sample questions. Now, once you are going to have the 2 days of time, because 27th night will complete the class, 28, 29, you'll have the 2 days of time, Saturday, Sunday. And in that time, you are going to build the resume and you are going to prepare for this one. And once my mock entry was completed, immediately you can participate in the Microsoft certification. And you can start applying for the companies. This is the order which you are going to have last 15 days. Is the points are clear? As one of the student is saying that, sir, some topics are missing or something. If you feel that anything is missing, 100% we'll discuss those topics only, then only we'll close the batch. Topic is missing or mock entry was not done, nothing was completed means we'll not close the batch. All topics and everything has to be completed. Each and everything has to be completed. Whatever the assurance I have given for you in the demo session, that has to be done. If one class is missing also, we'll extend. For me, no hurry. Right? If required, I can take extra 1 or 2 classes also, and you can have the detailed discussion with us, and finally, then only we'll close. Is the points are clear? This is the order. Now, as I think some of the students has already observed now also, that screen is getting fluctuated or something like this. That is the reason today, 2 days back, this problem was resolved. On Saturday, this laptop is in the, I have not connected the exam, right? On the Saturday. The reason is laptop only not there with me. It is in the hardware shop. And they have given the laptop yesterday only. And again, from today morning, I'm getting the same issue. Okay, they told that it was resolved, but again, I'm getting. Now, the person who has came just now, he's the hardware person. Now, again, he is going to take this laptop and he is going to identify what is the problem. I don't know. Okay. So there is some kind of technical glitch in my laptop, and that is the reason it is fluctuating like that. And if you are having like this, it will be difficult to explain in the class. So that is the reason today I'm going to conduct some interview question based test. Is that clear, everyone? Now, offline and online students, everyone has to take these interview questions, and online students, particularly online students. Okay, online students, share your answers. Okay, share your answers in a notepad, and along with this to srk.ds mock test at the rate of srk underscore. Okay. dsmocktest at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. After sharing this one, please also add your name and batch details. Few students are not adding the name and batch details. When you are not able to add the name and batch details, it would be difficult to do the correction because which batch student and which questions they are sending, we don't know. So please clearly add your batch, your name and batch details clearly. That is, batch details means nothing. 730 data analytics. That's it. You don't need to write the trainer name because you are going to share to me means obviously you are my student only, right? So 730, just add the 730 data analytics student. 7:30 p.m. data analytics. Just add like this and add your name. Okay, so that we'll understand that it is from your batch. Otherwise, it is getting problem because we are receiving from multiple batches the exam answers. So the students are not mentioning the name or batch details, then it would be difficult because for which one class question number will be the same. Question number 1, question number 2 will be the same. Number only they are writing, but they are not giving this one. Okay, it is not underscore data. Okay, done. srk.dsmocktest at the rate of gmail.com. Please share it to it. Okay, once class was completed. Now let's start the exam one by one. Yeah, please take the questions. Each question give 5 minutes of time and it is close to 50 to 60 minutes exam. 10 minutes for writing the questions. I will write the questions here. And what are the questions I'm writing? I'll share you the notepad also, this question in the Google Drive. Okay, if you want, you can open your Google Drive also. No need to write the questions, directly write the answers. Okay, please go with the answers. First one. Just a minute. It includes all the topics, guys. It is not only Power BI or anything. It includes every topic. Total, I'm going to share you the 10 questions. As I have told you, this is one of the most important questions. Just a minute. Yeah, please start writing the answers for each of them. And maintain the order. Order is important. Don't write in the as per your choice. You have to come in the sequential order only. Assume it is the interview questions. Interview questions, they'll not give all the interview questions first and now tell me your answers. They'll not say, right? They'll ask question after question only. Na? Assume it is interview questions. I'm asking one question after another question. Write in the same order. Answers also in the same order. Don't change the order of the questions. There is no restriction. There is no restriction, guys. You can write as per your choice. Just keep in mind each question for 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, please write. Total 10 questions. Directly write the answer. Directly please write the answer. No need to write the question also. Please write the answer. Yeah, offline students, could you take photo please once? Online students, please take the photo, screenshot or anything, please. I will also upload this same notepad in the Google Drive, but due to any situation, just I'm going to share this one in the Google Drive also. Just give me a minute. If you are getting that in the Google Drive, fine, well and good. Just a minute. My interview test also, my interview questions also would be in the same way. Yeah, it was uploaded in your Google Drive within the mock test folder. Even you can check once. Both online and offline students, please check once and confirm. It is available. Get hands on it. అదే Yeah, online students, once completed, please share. Once completed, please share. Completed? Everyone? Guys, can you hear me? Yeah. Everyone completed, right? Share your answers, and once it was shared, you can leave. Once sharing was completed, you can leave. Completed? Yeah, guys, completed. Others? I have received from online students only as of now 2 or 3. Remaining 5. Total 5. Remaining. Remaining. Remaining students also please respond.